1751, approximately 337 billion tons of carbon have been released into the atmosphere from the consumption of fossil fuels. By 2060, the following strategies will reduce total fossil fuel emissions, if used, and result in a healthier atmosphere. Solar power is produced by collecting sunlight and converting it into electricity. We picked solar electricity because it provides long-term financial savings. It's better for the environment and it's a good source of energy. It's more expensive compared to other methods of energy conservation. This would be convenient for building owners and homeowners with access to the sun. It would cut the cost of electricity. Having an efficient transportation system would reduce the number of miles vehicles travel, decrease the petroleum used in transportation, and reduces vehicle emissions. Some advantages of efficiency transportation would be we would use less gas and oils. We would also produce less pollution and would cut global warming emissions. The cost is less expensive in relation to others. Fuel switching electricity. Fuel switching electricity would switch the coal and fuel with natural gases. Natural gases are less harmful, easy to store, and burns cleaner compared to coal. Fuel switching electricity is also on the lower scale of the cost.
Biofuels. Plants take up carbon dioxide from the atmosphere, so combustion of biofuels made from plants simply return borrowed carbon to the atmosphere. Burning these fuels does not raise the atmosphere's net carbon dioxide concentration. Biofuels are slightly pricey but can greatly decrease greenhouse gas emissions. Efficiency electricity. Coal-burning power plants used today produce approximately 1/4 of the world's carbon emissions. Energy efficiency is producing the world's current coal-based electricity with doubled efficiency. Some benefits of energy efficiency is it would save you money, improve the economy, and it would be good for the environment. It is also low on cost. Carbon capture and storage, also known as CCS, is a technology that can capture up to 90% of the carbon dioxide emissions produced from the use of fossil fuels. Some pros of CCS is that it would provide low carbon energy but would require that the carbon dioxide is stored for centuries. Also, it is currently being tested in pilot projects around the world. CCS are currently a bit pricey.
Wind power is considered to be one of the key technologies in energy transition that has a wide variety of sizes and capacities. Wind hydrogen is a renewable resource and is available worldwide and also used on farm, mountain areas, and third world nations. The cost of wind hydrogen is very costly compared to other methods. Forest storage. Plants and soils are comprised of large amounts of carbon. Because forest storage is renewable, the cost is smaller. However, new forests would have to be created over an area the size of the United States. Deforestation and natural sinks add to the removal of carbon from the atmosphere, but forest storage would aid in lowering the amount.
With these following strategies, fossil fuel emissions will be greatly reduced, and within the next 50 years, 25 billion tons of carbon will be prevented from being released.